Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very special soup called party ogbono soup. So guys can see the ogbono for fire, can see all the ingredients. See, there is dry fish, stockfish, cow, kanda, pepper, store cube, crayfish, and red oil, that is palm oil, to use to mix the ogbono. So guys can see, when you cook it like this, you can use any type of meat. You can use goat meat, you can use chicken, you can use cow meat, you can use assorted meat to take serve your guests. So this is party ogbono. You can see how plenty it is. So you can see everything is inside. Just want to leave it like 5 minutes to done, then I'll off the light. It's a very short video, so I expect you guys watch this video, subscribe, comment, share it to your loved one. So this is party ogbono soup. The ogbono is very raw. You see, when you do, you can make your pounded yam or wheat, semo, garri, any type of swallow fufu, and use it and eat your soup. It's a very rich soup. Everybody like it. So guys can see, it's a short video, just want to show you guys. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, comment for it, share it to your loved one. We meet again in my next video. Bye.